Well, here we are, continuing forward motion. This is the switch panel, and I can show you on this dash panel here. It's a little dark. This fits here, and that's for the ignition switch, lights, panel lights. I found another truck in Southern California before I moved here that had all these wonderful parts. Unfortunately, the frame had been seriously bent, so I saved as much as I could to keep my truck going. And I don't know, the audio, I made a video yesterday and the audio picked up the floor boys next door pounding on my neighbor's hardwood floors, and it's probably picking up the Chevy out there. I haven't run it in about 2 weeks. So I'm going to set the camera on the drill press. I have my spray gun ready to go, and I'm going to hit everything with primer because this is the main light switch assembly. Get a better shot of it. I cleaned these like 3 years ago, but they just sitting under my bench, wrapped up in a towel. They still got more surface rust. So I'm going to protect the whole switch by shooting it with primer. Everything. Sorry, I didn't spray that in frame. Okay, I just put it over there, and all right, let's see if you guys can see this one. This is part of the main light switch assembly. All of these things need to be painted green anyway, so okay. Okay, this is the main ignition switch. It's just a dog-eared thumb turn switch. I can always clean the paint and the primer off of the terminals here for a good electrical connection. And, you know, that's one of the things that I kind of hinted to yesterday on the video that has the light fixtures, but I didn't really speak about having a good electrical connection. Okay, so far so good. One more. I'm trying to watch the camera and keep these things in view and paint at the same time and hold these things still. You know, I said it before, I'm not a professional production company. I just restore old rusty junk. Okay, that knob is going to say panel lights, and this knob here, this switch here, turns the lights on all the little fasteners. Not fasteners, damn it. All of these little bullet-shaped lights, the light fixtures. I sprayed these green earlier. It's nice and toasty warm out here. So it's beginning to look like quite a butcher shop. You know, instead of salamis hanging from the rafters, I got rusty junk. Anyway, oh boy, you can see all of my weld orbs on the camera. Gotta get a new camera, I keep saying that. Alright, so that's it for that. I gotta go through all of these little screws here and necessary items one at a time and clean them with the wire wheel. That'll take about half an hour or so. But that's it for this one. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Later. All right. Okay, everything's nice and clean for the switches. And the switches are curing. You can see the paint is pretty much, it's not as wet as it was. You know, I'm probably just going to shoot all of that stuff green just to help protect it. And I only have 4 of these little washers. They have little teeth on them that will bite through the paint and make good electrical contact. And I also have, in this drawer, nope, this drawer, a ton of these. And so those little teeth, when tightened down, will bite through the paint and make a good electrical connection. And you know, if anybody wants to do a little bit of research on the Alaska-Canada Highway 1942, this is a stencil I made a long time ago. This is Northwest Service Command, 18th Engineers. I was thinking of stenciling all my jerry cans with that, but I don't know, that's just thinking. Spitballing, as one of my good friends says. Alright, thanks for watching my video. Have a great night. Later.